Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Bianca with us in the shop today. And the main issue was that there was little to no flow into the group head when activating the brew switch. And what had happened was that there was just so much coffee buildup. As you can see, we have the filter here, but if you look on the inside of the filter, and even on the distribution bolt, which I had to replace just because of how bad it was, it seems like this machine just kind of lacked cleaning or back flushing, and so I had to back flush it quite a lot, even to the bottom valve, which was completely full with coffee. When back flushing actually came out pitch black, which normally it's meant to come out like brown, depending on how often you back flush. But I had to back flush quite a lot on this one to kind of clean it all out. We do get a nice flow out of the group head now with a new shower screen, a new distribution bolt, and then also a brand new gasket, because the original gasket, as you can see, quite crumbly and hard to move, so just quite old. This machine wasn't brought with a portafilter, but we do have one just to show back flushing to make sure to see how much bars of pressure you get in the group head and also from your machine. We also did a complete tune-up, which means we descaled both boilers on this one, descaling both the brew boiler and then the steam boiler, and then draining the steam boiler out completely to make sure that there's none left inside of there. Besides that, we can test real quick. So here is our display model portafilter with the blind basket. I'm going to turn this on just to kind of show 10 bars down at the bottom, and you're going to see the group head raise up past 11 to 12 bars. So that's working well. Water comes out the bottom fine, nice and clean, and of course, nice and clean after replacing everything and cleaning it out. Steam one, nice and strong, especially after that descaling. Close that here. And then lastly, our hot water tap. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.